We all have dreams, dreams that ignite our passion and fuel our ambitions. Vivid pictures of success fill our minds, painting a future where we achieve our deepest desires.
Maybe it's starting a business that changes lives, writing a book that inspires, or mastering a skill that brings joy and fulfillment. Whatever your peak, the journey starts within. It begins with a single thought, a spark of belief. Believe in your potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. This belief is the foundation of your journey. Your aspirations are your compass, guiding you towards a fulfilling life. They point you in the direction of your dreams.
Embrace the excitement of the journey ahead. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. You are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless, and your determination is your greatest asset.
Take that first step and start your climb towards the peak of your potential. Every journey begins with a single step, and each step is a victory in itself. Look back and see how far you've come, and let that fuel your determination to keep moving forward.
Remember, you're not alone. Surround yourself with those who support and uplift you. Together, you can reach even greater heights. At the peak, you'll find not just the view, but a deeper understanding of your strength and resilience. This is the reward of your journey. Reflect on your journey and let it inspire you to set new goals, to dream even bigger. The peak of your potential is ever expanding.
Imagine your journey as a climb up a mountain. The summit represents your ultimate goal. The path is rarely straight or easy. There will be switchbacks, steep inclines, and moments of doubt. Don't get discouraged by the scale of your ambition. Focus on the next step in front of you. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to the top. Enjoy the process and celebrate each milestone along the way.
Consistent small actions are the building blocks of success. Just like a mountain climber doesn't reach the summit in a single leap. You don't achieve your dreams overnight. It's about making steady progress day after day. Avoid the temptation to rush the process. Trying to do too much too soon often leads to burnout and frustration. Embrace the power of consistency. Small, meaningful actions repeated over time create incredible results. Navigating the climb. This section is all about understanding the journey ahead and preparing yourself mentally and physically for the challenges you will face. Your climb is uniquely yours. Each step you take is a reflection of your personal journey and the goals you have set for yourself. Set realistic goals that align with your own pace and capabilities. It's important to understand your strengths and limitations and to plan accordingly. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This approach not only makes the journey less daunting, but also allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Each small step forward is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Celebrate these moments, as they are the building blocks of your success. Listen to your body and mind. Pay attention to the signals they send you, and don't ignore the need for rest and recovery. Rest is as important as pushing forward. Taking time to recharge allows you to come back stronger and more focused. Take breaks when needed, recharge, and come back stronger. Use these moments to reflect on your progress and to appreciate the journey. Enjoy the scenery, learn from your experiences, and never stop believing in your ability to reach the top. Every challenge you overcome is a testament to your strength and determination. Keep pushing forward, and remember that the journey is just as important as the destination.
Reaching new heights. As you continue your climb, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the challenges, learn from setbacks, and understand that each step you take is a testament to your strength and determination. The path may be steep and the obstacles numerous, but every hurdle you overcome adds to your story of resilience. Celebrate your victories, big or small. Each milestone reached is a moment to cherish, a reminder of how far you've come. Whether it's a small peak or a significant summit, every achievement is worth acknowledging. The skills and resilience you develop along the way are invaluable. These experiences shape you, building a foundation of strength and perseverance that will serve you in all areas of life. The determination in your eyes reflects the inner growth that comes from facing and overcoming challenges. They will serve you well beyond reaching your initial goal. Reflect on the path you've climbed, the lessons learned, and the person you've become. Each step forward is a step towards a better, stronger you. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Progress may be slow, but every step counts. The journey is long, and persistence is key. Focus on the present moment, and trust that each step is bringing you closer to your goal. You have the power within you to reach amazing heights. Believe in your abilities, trust in your journey, and know that with each step, you are climbing towards greatness. The view from the top is breathtaking, but the true reward lies in the climb itself.